guys, I've got all my equipment here to make my clay mask. A little bit of slip, a paintbrush, my clay, a knife, roller and the guides. So the first thing we want to do is roll out our clay. So we use the guides here to make sure our clay doesn't go any thinner than this. So if we got it too thin, our mask would be quite fragile and breakable on here. So we want to make a nice strong mask for this. So I'm just going to turn it around and make sure we spread our clay. So make sure you turn it both ways. So we've got the clay spread evenly on here. Okay, so now I've got my piece of rolled out clay. You can see it's even thickness throughout. So I'm going to cut the shape of my mask. I keep those little bits because I'm going to use those leftover pieces to do the features of my mask and decorate it. So remember here we are trying to make a mask that is symmetrical, just smoothing the edges. Okay, so on here I'm going to start cutting some of the features on here. So I'm cutting the eyes to make sure they are identical. I'm just putting it on top and tracing it. Remember, I am working from my design and I want you to be working from your own design too. So here, to stick the clay together, you need to scratch both where you want to put them and the thing that you want to put on there. Then use a little bit of slip. Slip is just clay mixed with water, and it acts as glue and it's going to bind your pieces together. And make sure they are put on solidly on here. Okay, so same again, scar, bit of slip and glue it together. Now I want to make the nose in here. Remember, you're cutting as you think it might fit in, and then you're adjusting. That was too big. Go. I'm going to crisscross both ways. A little bit of slip. So now I'm going to make a mouth. Right here I'm trying to come back and start putting some patterns on my mask. So trying to choose a sharp object. A pencil would work as well. So trying to choose one of the sharp clay tools or a pencil to put your patterns in there. Same here, I'm trying to keep the symmetry.